name is Salim Bang. I am a graduate from Guilford College. I majored in Community and Justice Studies.
Benjamin Randazzo, Bachelor of Science, Community and Justice Studies.
Riri Wei, Community and Justice Studies major, class of 2021.
Jennifer Urdaneta Kasoma, class of 2017.
Zaina Afada, class of 2019.
Jess Castaneda, and I'm part of the class of 2023.
I am currently employed by the Greensboro Housing Coalition, and I serve as the Community Engagement Associate.
I work with the City of Greensboro Human Rights Department.
Construction Coordinator at Habitat for Humanity, New York City.
Quality Improvement Administrator at Bay Area Community Services in Oakland, California.
I am so grateful that I am majoring in Community and Justice Studies.
With this major, I learned how to work with people.
I learned how to effectively interact with people and how to listen to community members as opposed to telling them what they needed.
It is innovative in the ways that we think about communities and how we engage with them.
It's Community and Justice Studies. We are studying communities and we are learning about some of the policies that were put into effect.
Just the idea of understanding community and how to really work with community needs.
By learning about justice, policy, and its effects on the community, it allowed me to focus on the causes that I would like to support.
My parents fled a war, so I came to this country as a refugee. CMJ has put me in a really sweet spot where I see the idea, the system that was trying to oppress me.
I hope to be a prison psychologist, and Community and Justice Studies allows me to ask deeper questions relating to the ethics of the criminal justice system.
I'm able to work for a nonprofit agency that focuses on mental health as well as housing homeless individuals. I am very fortunate to see my influence and see my work really affect those that are really needing the services that I provide.
Building community is very strategic. You don't empower people to speak. You give them the tools so they can speak. I want to be able to create those spaces so their voices are up front.
It's meaningful in a way that there's a ripple effect.
I believe community, diversity, equality, excellence, integrity, justice, and stewardship are values that greatly contributed to my involvement in the nonprofit sector.
You are building relationships. You are creating a new system for people and how they think about residents who have been disenfranchised.
It is taking me to a world of possibility.
Now I'm a woman capable of making lasting connections to the people around me.
As for professors, I just want to say I thank you all so much for doing the work that you do.
I am going to continue serving my community in the way that Guilford and CMJS has prepared me.
The graduates that come here are not just leaving Guilford with a diploma. They are leaving with tools and skills to make a difference.